Alright, well, we got a new box today of parts for the hatchback. Let's see what we got today. Let's see. Oh yeah. Alright. That's energy suspension stuff. These are for, oh yeah, these are for my shifter. Cool. And let's see now. Yep. There it is. So yeah, this is my B&M short throw shifter for my hatchback. I finally broke down and bought it, and I decided to go with B&M because I figured they know transmissions and shifters and parts for those. So pretty awesome. The kit came with the energy suspension bushings, the black ones. So that's pretty awesome. Yeah, it says the best upgrade money can buy. Pretty cool. Alright, so yeah, that's what I got today. And is there anything else? No, just packaging. Alright. Let's see. Instructions of any kind. Oh yeah. There is installation instructions. There you go. So this fits Integras 1990 to 2001, Civics 88 through 2000, CRX 88 through 91, Del Sol 93 to 97. So cool. Oh, and the sticker. Look at that. That's like awesome. Now everybody knows I have precision shifter equipment. Very cool. Alright, stay tuned for the installation video, I guess. Later.